This video is a book marketing video. I'm going to demonstrate how to make what are called reusable elements. This one will be badges to add to the corner of your books, like this one that I've used in a social media post. This badge says first book free. They are very good at grabbing attention. These are 4 badges that I purchased at depositphotos.com. They all came on the same image. And I've also pulled in my book that I'm going to be working with. So the first thing I want to do is to remove the white background. So because there is no white in any other of these badges, I can use the select by color. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to make sure that I have an alpha channel, which I don't. So I'm going to add an alpha channel. That will allow me to get rid of the background and have a transparent background. And so I'm going to click on the white, and you'll see the marching ants, and then I'm going to click on delete, and that will remove the background. So then I'm going to come up and click on select and then none, and that gets rid of the marching ants. So the first badge that I want to make is the red one. So I'm going to click on the selection tool and come down here and just drag out a box surrounding the red badge. And I'm just going to adjust this. I'm trying to have the same amount of space on each side. So once it has been selected, I'm going to click inside, right click inside, and choose Edit, Copy Visible. That means it's going to copy only what's inside the selection box. And then I'm going to click on Control V, and that's going to throw it onto a new layer. It says floating selection. And in order to anchor this, I'm going to come down here and click on the layer button, and that has now anchored it. And if I hide this bottom picture, I can see now that I have the red one isolated. So I'm going to make sure that I have a white color for the foreground color, and then I'm going to choose the text tool and put first book free. And then choose Control A to surround everything, and just make this as big as I can so it will stick out. So let's try this one and see. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, so that is the new badge. Now I'm going to just show you that off camera I did the same thing to the other ones. Okay, and they all have a different element that I can reuse over and over. Free for 1 day only, download a free copy today, and mystery romance bestseller. Okay, so now what you want to do is I'm going to hide all of these again. And what you want to do with each one of these is crop them and save them individually. So I'm going to click on the crop tool, come down here and isolate this, make it kind of tight. I'm going to move this in here a little bit, and then click on enter. Okay, and then you want to choose file, export as, and then you're going to name it, banner dash first book free, and then be sure to name it PNG so that you can save the transparent background. And that is, I already have one of these, so I'm going to skip on that. And then when you're going to do that with all of the different badges so that you have them in your marketing folder, and this way when you're setting up new social media posts, you can use whichever banner is relevant to whatever ad you are doing at that time. So anyway, that's how easy it is. I hope this was helpful. If it was, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.